In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see where if you're logged in other devices in Gmail. First, open Gmail. This can be on your computer or on your phone. Look to the top right corner of the Gmail screen and find your profile icon, the small circle that shows your photo or initial. Click that icon to open a quick menu. In that menu, choose Manage your Google account. This takes you out of Gmail and into your main Google account settings, which is where Google keeps all security and sign-in controls for your Gmail and other Google services. Once your Google account page opens, look for the security section. On desktop, you'll see it on the left-hand sidebar or along the top tabs. On mobile, it's one of the options you can swipe to. Click Security to open it. This page focuses on protecting your account, so you'll find password options, two-step verification, and importantly for this video, details about where you're signed in. Scroll down until you reach the area labeled Your Devices. This section shows devices and browsers that are currently signed into your account. To see the full picture, click the link there. This may appear as Sessions or Manage Devices, depending on your interface. Once you open it, you'll get a detailed list of active sessions. You'll typically see device names, operating systems, approximate locations, and when they were last active. It might list phones, tablets, laptops, and even web browsers that have an active login. Take a moment to read through the list carefully. If you use multiple devices regularly, expect to see several entries. It's normal for Google to group similar devices or show them with generic names. Also, locations are approximate and based on your IP address, so slight variations are common. If you use more than one Google account, double-check that the profile in the top right matches the account you want to review before you draw conclusions. If the page wording looks a little different on your device, like showing Manage Devices instead of Sessions, that's okay. Google updates labels from time to time, but the layout and purpose remain the same. This is the spot where you can view all the sessions your account is currently signed into. And that's it. By opening Gmail, selecting your profile icon, going to Manage your Google account, choosing the Security tab, and then opening the Your Devices section, you can quickly see every current session tied to your account. This quick check helps you stay aware of where your account is active and keep your digital life organized.